Are you trying to figure out how to sell digital products with WooCommerce? Digital products like audio files, eBooks, stock photos, and software can be a great source of revenue without the need for inventory or shipping. What is digital product? A digital product is a piece of media or other asset that is sold and used on a device like a computer or smartphone. Digital products can be educational, entertaining, or a bit of both. What is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce platform for selling physical and digital products on WordPress websites. As a WordPress plugin, WooCommerce itself is a digital product. The core plugin is free and open source. How to sell digital products with WooCommerce? Let's make sure we have all the necessary ingredients to sell digital products with WooCommerce. Step 1. Installing WooCommerce. The first step is installing the WooCommerce plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for WooCommerce. Install it and activate the plugin. After installation, a setup wizard will guide you through the process. Step 2. Setting up payments. Go to WooCommerce Settings and click on the Payments tab. Enable the payment processors you want to use or add other payment methods if needed. Step 3. Configuring WooCommerce for digital products. Go to WooCommerce Settings Products and click on Downloadable Products. Choose a file download method to protect your product links. For fastest product delivery, it's recommended to not require login and to grant access after payment. Enable guest checkout if not requiring login. In Products and click on Inventory. Click the checkbox to uncheck Enable Stock Management. Step 4. Creating a digital product listing. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Products. Add New. Add your product name in the name field. Add description in the text box. And you can add image of the product. By clicking Add Media, click on Upload File. Select your file. Select it from the gallery. Click on Insert Your Product so your image of the product will be added. From the left side, you can see product categories. There, choose your category. Or you can add new category by clicking Add New Category. From product data, you can choose downloadable and virtual product for a digital product. Now, choose price from product data, give the regular price and the sale price. From downloadable price, click Add File and choose your file. Then give the file name from name filed and upload your digital product file. Next steps. Customize your WooCommerce store. Now that you have a digital product ready to sell, you can repeat the process for other digital products. You may also want to consider further customizing your WooCommerce store to match your branding and workflow. How to sell more digital products. Selling digital products is just another form of e-commerce. Here are some of our favorite tips for boosting your conversion rates and digital product sales. 1. Capture abandoning visitors. Exit intent pop-ups offer a solution to cart and site abandonment for online businesses. They appear as users navigate away from the site, helping to capture attention and gather contact information for follow-up emails. 2. Add social proof. Social proof is a powerful marketing tool that online consumers rely on to validate their purchasing decisions. Leveraging social proof across your website, such as through reviews, testimonials, social media mentions, and case studies, can significantly boost conversions for your digital downloads. 3. Run an online contest. Host a contest around your digital product to engage your audience and boost brand visibility. Offering a desirable prize not only expands your online presence but also educates your audience about your product's benefits, solving their problems. Conclusion. Selling digital products with WooCommerce is streamlined and scalable, incorporating conversion optimization strategies such as exit intent pop-ups, social proof, and online contests can enhance sales and engagement. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.